Good morning, students. This is your computer class. So today we will learn how to do practically. Okay. Today we will learn how to do paint in computer. So first we will know how to open the computer. So we will open the computer with the help of the CPU. We will click on the CPU button. Then after that our computer screen is open. Now you can see that the screen is open. Now you want to do paint, so we will go on the start button here on the very left corner bottom. So after this we will search where is paint. So here it is given paint, so we will open the paint option. Now paint 3D is open, so we will start doing here drawings. So we can draw anything whichever we want to. So I am starting with the background color. So here is given, I am choosing the fill color. After that I am choosing any color whichever I want. So I will choose light yellowish color. So see, the color of the background is, or we can choose any other color. So see, the background color is changed. Now we want to make a drawing here. So how will we make a drawing? We will choose a pencil. Now I choose the pencil. So I use any other color. So I am choosing the color black. So I choose the black color. Now I am making the heart here. See, I am making the heart. Now you can make anything which you want to make. So see, I am doing drawing here, so I make the heart here. Now it is completed. Now if I want to make anything else, I want to make shape, then how will I use this? I will use it like this. It's shown in the screen, on the screen, see? It is shown you on the screen how it will work. Now I will work it here. So I want to make a round. So I am using this. But I don't want to make here. I want here. So I make it. See? So click. It is the correct. Now I can choose any other shape whichever I want. So what shape I want? I want star. So I am choosing star here. So I make star. See the star is made. Star. Now I will tick. This is the height. I don't want to change, so I will tick the tick. Now if I want to color it, then I choose the brush option, fill option, and I will choose the color. Now I want to do which color I want to do? I want to do gray color. So I choose the gray color. Now I will fill the colors on both the sides. See, it is now in gray color. So the color is changed, gray color. Now I don't want to do gray color in my heart. See, I have done here now. So I don't want to. I will use the undo button. See, it's disappeared. Now I want to choose any other color. So I can choose any color. Now I am choosing brown color for my heart. So it looks nice. So I will choose the brown color. Now see, it's completed. Now I will choose the black color. Now I don't want to color more. So it is completed. Now if I want to use any other shape, then stickers. Wow, there are many stickers open. So if I want to choose any sticker, I can choose it. I have chosen this sticker, so I will put it here. Oh, so this is the very big. So I will do it small. This like this. I am doing it so small. See, now it is perfect. Now I will put it up and put it in the hole. Yes. Now it is done. You all can see this. So see, if I want to write anything, so I will choose the text option and I will start writing above. I don't want to write, I want to write here, so I am writing in the column. So, see, how can we write? We can choose from here, we can choose the language which we want to write, and we can write, choose the text button. Now, in which color I want to write? I want to write in white color. So I can select the text. Now I can write here. What I want to write? I want to write anything I can write with the help of the keyboard. So I am putting the keyboard here and I will start writing hunt. Or I can write this. This is the hut. This is the hut. It's okay. Now I want to put it up. So I will choose it. I am moving it. So it is completed. Now you can see the hut is completed. So you understand what I have done? You see here, canvas, there are many more options which we can do in the computer screen. So we have completed this. See how it's looking? It's looking nice. So once again I am repeating how we can make this. So for this I am using new. First, what we will do, how can we save it? If we want to save our file, then we will go in the file menu. Here is the option is given, save as. So we will choose the option. Now, if we want to save our file, we will save it with any name. I am writing here, this is my hut. The name is saved now. My file is saved in the computer. So see, the file is saved. Now the new page is open. So we will see once again how can we draw on page. So first of all, what we will do, we will color the background. So for coloring the background, we will choose the fill color. So here is the fill color is given. So we will choose this color. Now we can choose any color. If you want to add any new color, you can add it from here. See, the color is shown here. So I am choosing any color. I can choose any color. So, okay, I am choosing this color. So here, you can see the background is colored. Now, if you want to make a drawing, then what will we do? We can choose any pen. Look, there are many pens are given. So, we can use any pen. Now, I am using this one, pencil. So, we can draw here. What we will draw? Now, we will draw duck. How can we draw duck? We will choose the other color. So, I am choosing the black color. Now, how can we draw duck? We can draw duck like this. See, I am drawing the duck. So, it is completed. Now, if we want to color the duck, then what will we do? We will choose the fill color again and we can choose any color. Which color I want? I am choosing the blue color. So, see, the duck is colored now. You all can see the duck is colored. Now, if I want to add any shape, then what will I do? We will go on the 2D shapes and we will choose the shape. Now, I am choosing the star shape. Now, I will draw star here. See, the star is here. We will take the here. Now, if I want to choose any 3D shape, then what will I do? I will choose the shape. Now see, I am choosing the fish. Now the fish is here. See, it is increasing. We can choose it like this. Okay. Now third, stickers. There are many stickers given here. So if I want to choose any sticker, I want to choose this one. So I am choosing this and I am using it here. See, the sticker is here now. Next, if you want to write anything, then how will you write? You can select the text from the option and after this, do it like this. You can type here anything. This is a term. See, I am typing here. Now it is done. Now, if you want to do any other thing, then you can do the thing you want to. Now I am choosing this, writing here, enter. I am writing here. Now I am choosing effects. Which effect you want here? I don't want any effect, so I will not choose any one. So your drawing is completed. You can try it at your home by making any drawing, anything you want to. Okay kids? So this is your practical. Now it is completed. So if we want to close it, then how will I close it? We will close it from the cross button in the right side upper. Cross it. If you want to save, I told you how can you save the file. Or if you don't want to save, you can choose don't save option. It is closed now. After that, we will close our computer. How we will close our computer? We will go on the start button. Click here and we will go on the power button. Click here. Then we will shut down it by choosing the option shut down. Now my computer is turning off. So this is all for today. Thank you kids.